Red wire connected power supply, positive pole. Black line connected to the negative power supply. The yellow HO wire connects the positive pole of the car battery. The display can still be powered when the vehicle is turned off. Green line is trigger line. Second option, connect the red and black wires to the car charger. Cigarette lighter. Loosen the screw of the green adapter. Insert the red line into the plus slot. Insert black line into slot. Connecting car charging. Plug to cigarette lighter and turn on the red switch. When the yellow wire is connected to the car battery, the car is turned off for 1 month. The display will automatically update the date and time. When the yellow wire is connected to the cigarette lighter, a CC fuse, after the car is turned off, the display can only automatically update the date and time for more than 70 hours. After more than 70 hours, when the car is turned off, it stops updating the date and time. Merge the red and yellow lines to the car charger. Red time representation recording function. Press the SEL button to turn on or off the recording function. Press CH button to switch channel screen. Press menu button to enter menu. Press SEL button to enter selected mode. Press the plus or button to switch. Press SEL button to enter. Press the menu button to exit the current mode. SEL button for confirmation. Press menu button to enter menu. Press the plus or button to switch. Press SEL button to enter. Time setting. Press SEL button to switch. SEL button for confirmation. SEL button for confirmation. Close time display. No time to show. Connect the trigger wire to the fuse of the reversing lamp. When reversing, it will trigger reversing monitoring. Connect the second camera. Connection extension line. Connect display. Connecting trigger lines indicates that when reversing, it will enter the reversing screen. View video playback. Long press SEL button, 2 seconds, enter. Exit the current mode to select the third option. SEL button for confirmation.